Good morning. Welcome back. Another beautiful day here at Rokiwaste. We've got a H50 behind us, just unpacked as you can see. This is going to a client up in Midrand, and we'll be doing a material recovery facility with some conveyor belts and so on and so forth. So we'd like you to share the experience when we're done. The customer will do an interview with us hopefully, and we can just give you what the feedback was overall. So please follow us for more information. And we hope that this is beneficial to you in some way or the other. Thanks very much. Good day. This is Peter. We're back on site. Today we hand over this plant to the client. We hope they're satisfied. We've done all that we can on our side. So please stay tuned, have a look, and we're going to just show you what this plant's actually going to do. Thank you. Peter again from Rokiwaste. We're back with the clients at Pambili, if you don't mind us saying.
No problem.
We've got Mariska and we've got Yaku. We're just going to do a quick interview. We've done the plant, the setup's now done. We've handed over. So we're going to go to Yaku and Mariska, just a few minutes of your time. The plant's now set up, as you can see. We haven't done it, we haven't taken it through its paces as yet. But from a business perspective, from a model point of view, what's your opinion, what's your feedback? And I know we will do a follow-up interview, but just on a very high level, if you can share with us, if you don't mind, Mariska.
Right, no problem. I mean, it looks amazing. Already we're seeing that from a health and safety perspective, everything is in line. So we're excited for that.
Wonderful, perfect. Thank you so much. Yaku?
Yeah, I think it's very beautiful. Quite excited to put it through its paces to see what it can do. Baling machine started up, looks good, and we hope that we can get out the production that we require. And I believe that it will add value to the company. In the lines, it's now fine-tuning it to make sure it runs on its full production. Thank you.
Perfect. Thanks, Yaku. Thanks, Mariska. Thanks for your patience as well, and we appreciate your support. Thanks.